I thought you had a Honda Ridgeline.
No, I got a Taliban.
Okay, yeah, I definitely wanna go over that. 'cause
Yeah,
we
we're
definitely
gonna go
change it.
upstairs after. Let me just knock
That's
this
what I
out,
thought.
because this is,
All right, how many windows?
I got 5 windows. Let me show you what the deal is.
Okay,
So
So I
it's
need- I need-
this times 5.
Yeah, and then I got all the MOs and everything we'll go over before we execute.
the other
them.
windows are bare though.
Those, you don't have to touch those. You got, look, 5 retrofit historic openings. 1, 2, 3 on this wall, and you got, look Frankie, look where I'm looking.
I got you.
1 back there and then 1 on the right. There's
Okay,
5.
all the ones that
These are new.
Those are MOs, you don't have to touch those.
Those you're just gonna put bucks
And
on and
it's
you're
get
done.
waterproofed and buck, correct. All right,
You're talking about 5 windows.
That's correct.
all right. So you got to multi-tool this. See this line from here back, remove. You're gonna multi-tool this wood, and then you're gonna detail
Now
this.
he's telling us
This
how to do it.
Can I just ask you a quick question?
what?
They have flanges?
It's right there, the window.
Oh,
yes.
oh, beautiful.
Yes, it
Sorry.
has a flange.
Dude, I already got the scope of work for you.
Okay,
I already got the scope.
Take a skill stop. Finish it. with a mold.
okay, they're regular,
Listen,
okay.
You know what I mean?
But wait, let me finish.
Go ahead now.
Let me finish. So you gotta remove this. This all stays intact. The whole purpose of this is for me not to have any scope of work on the outside. It stays the same. Just let me get through the spiel.
Okay, good.
We're gonna detail cut this, remove. Then we're gonna come down here with a diamond blade down to this line. You're gonna remove this. You're gonna cut these bricks. So these bricks will stay in place.
Yes,
You're gonna, from here back, will come out.
I get it.
And then
So this little piece is staying in there?
this
Yes.
piece, this whole thing, because it's attached to the brick.
Yeah, we're just gonna run a skill saw down this.
Or a multi-tool.
Finish the cut with a multi-tool.
Now
Why
this-
you gonna multi-tool all
You don't have
that?
to multi, yeah, no, you can, for the bigger
Skill
thing,
saw
yeah,
the
yeah,
whole
yeah,
thing
yeah.
is
Yeah.
Just like a buck with the flanges gonna go over top of that? like that?
Correct.
No,
Yes, the flange is gonna butt to here.
hold up. You gotta detail the stucco as per the specs, I'll go over to you. So what's gonna happen is after this gets reinforced and backboard, it's gonna finish here. I get my buck, my bottom buck goes here. The flange comes in and sits behind this. Onto my buck will be right here. Follow? And then all I have is a little bit of a caulk in the front and stucco on 3 sides and it's done.
So you're telling me you're putting the window in from this way?
From the outside.
And the flange is
You're
sitting
gonna be behind that.
behind that?
Yeah, because the flange is gonna get buried on the rest of it.
So there's no way to actually put the window in.
It's gotta come from the outside.
It can't come, what, if this is staying,
Right. And this stucco gets demoed, just like it's typical, just like a typical retrofit.
yeah, they usually go in from,
Okay, oh, so all the stuccos,
Yeah, you're gonna take some of the stucco out. I got the spec for it. I got it
the
on. It's
window's 41. Oh, you got plenty of fucking room.
plenty of room.
And the height?
57 and change. It's all on the wall right here. Wally. So look, pretend this is this after you've removed it. Okay, you follow?
this is coming out.
Right. That's all come up. Pretend this is this line. Pretend you've cut this.
Coming out all the way down to here,
So
Frankie.
when the window comes in, the flange is going to be behind it. You set it in, boom. And I don't. All I have is a little bit of stucco and some caulk.
So hold on, so you're gonna need to put your window in and then put your buck in, because if the buck is in, it may not fit in.
No, I can give myself enough room when they set the buck. If it's look, if it's an eighth versus a quarter to come back set,
Do
it's
we
fine.
gotta take the stuff off and
Yeah.
rebuck this?
You don't have to buck it. All I need you guys to do is detail the bottom.
So we're not
and
installing the
You
windows.
don't have to do any of that shit. It's already somebody else's scope. I got no one to.
Frankie, the window's 41.
Written right here. Stucco open. And 42 and a quarter. So. What'd you say it was?
41. 41.
Plus 1. 2 halves is 1.
And then a quarter inch of play.
Right.
41 and a quarter.
So all I need is
That's
this.
for the bucks.
Yeah. All I need is this cut, this removed, and this cut down here, and then you're done. Times 5. You can do them all in one day.
So,
The important is just
Again, we're done with it. We're cutting it, this has gotta stay.
this is all got.
This comes off and then this all comes out.
Yeah, you're gonna
all over
diamond
the
grade
blue
it.
line.
Yeah. The only thing you really need to, you actually kind of really need to grinder it because you don't want to disturb any of this stuff.
Grinder's
Now,
only
the
gonna go-
concrete's gotta get cut at this line all the way down.
Correct. To here.
Why is that?
Because it's gotta get reinforced and backboard.
So we also need the backboard.
You don't have to do anything except give me the detailed demo.
We're not even pouring it?
I'm not doing any of that shit.
Oh, so we're just doing a demo.
Detailed demo that nobody else can trust to fucking do.
Okay, so we're making an L is what we're doing. There's your 1x.
Are you stripping this wood frame
You're
here?
cutting that too, yep.
You stripping this?
Yep, you guys are removing, say the X,
Yep.
X this,
That's what we're doing, right?
you got this, and this, down to here.
That's it right there, right? That's the 1x, and then we're gonna cut straight down, go over at your mark, and then this is the wall, and that's it. You're making an L.
This is coming out, this is coming out, and then the block is coming
Got
out
it.
to here.
And then they're gonna re-pour it.
They're gonna reinforce it, bond it, whatever they gotta do. Form it.
Why is that? What are they worried about? They're worried about the structural issue on the sill?
What am I worried about what?
No, what are they worried about to do it like that?
Why am I doing it like this?
Yeah.
Because I came up with this because it's a retrofit that my window installer doesn't want to do. And I don't have a budget for anything to touch on the outside.
Well, I
of the
understand
fence.
that part.
Right. I mean, this is as far as minimizing the amount of work on the outside that needs to be executed, this eliminates pretty much the scope on the outside other than caulk and stucco, which would have to be done anyway.
He's gonna PT that and then put his 1x on top of
Exactly.
it.
Like a mason. Or like a
This
wood.
obviously comes off too, with it.
Yeah, all this is
All
coming.
the wood comes up.
Yeah, this is coming off.
But he wants to reinforce this.
Yeah, this gets backboard. This gets backboard up to here. Look, Frankie.
I got
This is
you.
backboard, and then from here is
Okay.
my 1x or my.
So it's all
2x
just for
board.
reinforcement purposes.
It's all for
correct?
code. It's all for code.
For code.
Yeah, it's all
It
for
needs to
code.
be a poured sill. It needs to be a poured sill. It
I
can't-
got it here.
The
okay.
window can't sit in
Look,
that.
I've
This is all just because of the sill. Obviously, it's all
Yeah, I
it's
mean,
for.
yeah, when it's also to consistent aesthetic to match the rest.
Okay. And then here you want us to take the stucco off?
Yep. And the windows here, so you know how much.
Take the stucco
Now
off
here.
to where?
You just wanna go back to there, right?
No, yeah, exactly. If you take it down to this surface, and this is staying, so you're probably gonna have to come out to here. See how it's tapered? Here, let's see what I got.
Oh, so leave this part.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we're just gonna go flush with the face of the sill. And then let
So
it.
if I go, if I take it back from there, where do I got? 42 and a half.
We'll do that.
Width. That's
Right.
plenty, that's plenty. So-
Alright, so again, right here, since that's staying, you're gonna go up. Jesus Christ, Frank.
The face of the sill, we're
But
cutting
we
back
gotta,
to here.
but we gotta grind this straight up.
Yeah.
And
Only
then
that
chip.
deep, only that deep.
Yeah.
And this
This
part
stays,
stays.
correct.
I got it.
Following up top.
You got original on you?
I don't. You need a pencil?
Yeah, you just broke the point.
Yes, that was my
point.
That was my pencil.
No, it's not. Just came out of my truck.
Does it say fucking South Florida Contractors on it?
Not yet, we don't have those yet. And this is an innovative design build scope.
Okay,
And I'll go.
hey, you got a street saw? Oh, what happened to it?
Oh, here's a
It got
pencil.
stolen when I was working.
Oh,
When I was working at
we're gonna need a street
Why
saw.
are you taking my pencil?
I don't know, you gave it to me, gave it to me,
I
stop.
thought you needed to write with it.
Well, I did will,
Hey,
you'll get it back.
Hey,
Hey, what? Alright, so you got this. 5 detail openings.
Yeah, we just gotta, like I said, we gotta run a street saw to cut that deep.
You can do layers with a grinder.
That, well,
You don't want to chip this because you
Can-
might
yeah,
just
can-
look at this crack here.
Yeah, I was
shit,
thinking.
that's gotta be fucking 8 inches.
It is 8 inches.
All right, so, but listen,
8 inches on the money.
how about one of the bigger grinders?
You could put an
Street saw,
8
you
inch,
can't get in
8 inch
there and
diamond
finish
blade
the cuts.
with no guard, but you better be fucking careful.
You know what I mean? One of the bigger grinders that you could put it.
I have that big grinder.
That you could put.
You're on grinder?
Hey.
You hear that?
He's on Tinder. Hey, you could put what is it, 7 1/4 inch blade on, right? You
Yeah.
can get it. You can get it probably 7 1/4. You can probably get a 3 1/2 inch cut.
Well, you can do that on a skill saw too.
Yeah, but the saw gets in the way. gonna keep you off everything. Would you stop with the recording?
Okay, so,
Frank, how do you feel about the recording?
well, I seen the picture you took last time since I'm being recorded, and I don't like my bald head, but other than that,
We can't do nothing about that. But hey, but how much less does he bicker when he's on camera? Look, look, look. Where's he going? Where's he going?